Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing another manicure tutorial featuring the H la Cosedora Special Edition Limited Supply Bundle called Make-A-Wish. It will be available Wednesday, April 8th at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Visit hlacosedora.com to see a preview of the bundle. And remember, you'll be able to use my discount code JENNY10 to receive 10% off your order. All the details will be in the description box below. Here's a close-up of the plates I'll be using today. This one is called Gypsy Spirit. The mini plate doesn't have a name, but it's so cute it doesn't really need one. On my nails, I'm already wearing this gorgeous shine nail polish called Lemonhead. I use a black stamping polish to pick up the designs. Beautiful pickup. Wow, that looks gorgeous. With my lint roller, I can clean the stamper every time I stamp. I seal in the stamping with my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat. Here's the final manicure. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and be sure to check the description box of the video for more information about this beautiful Make-A-Wish Special Edition bundle from H la Cosedora. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!